Welcome back to Unit 4 of our Landscape and System Architecture. We want to show today how you can perform an impact analysis. So what is the influence of your systems? And we're looking at various things here. So mainly we have dependencies of the objects. So that is how objects are interrelated to each other. And it could be either a single object or a whole set. We call that a collection of objects. And some objects do have natural relations to each other because they are nested or because they are sub-elements like a column of a table, and they are natural having a building a sub-collection. And others are building their references by extended links or whatever we have there. So if we look at this, I have a sample here, how we look at our small site, and you select an object and you click the little impact button. I think my colleague Matt has shown that already in principle, but we are going a little bit deeper here to show really how you can influence and control this. So we are going now to the system itself and see how that is working. So I'm jumping into the model. I'm taking my server room here, and we can conduct an impact analysis as it is here, or come on, this here is doing the impact analysis, or if we go to him, we can do the impact analysis. And we start with the server room here, so that is where we want to have the impact analysis on, and it's taking and analyzing the objects we have, and we have a hierarchy here. And we can fold things together. A room has a parent, and if we don't want to see the dependency to its parents, we can take off these rules to show that we have to apply this rule. We have to recalculate this, and after recalculation this relation is vanished. So again, I'm going inside, we are going here, and I'm doing a recalculation, and we see the further dependency to application and to small site. So this is one of the elements. If we are nested, we are looking at version and then on the parent, because we are in a hierarchy. Then we are on our server room itself. And fold this together, and we have two dependencies here. We see them here. If we don't want to see them, we take this out. Again, we can recalculate this thing, and then they vanish. Even if the rule is still active, so it shows it. So we want to see the dependencies again, and we click this rule on. It's kind of learning by sample. So the rule applies now to all analysis we are doing, but the rules are based on the sample we are currently doing here. So that's very nice. I have to recalculate here. So I'm seeing now my application, my hardware server. I'm seeing my organization unit, and within my organization unit I see, and I can follow the lines through the red marked objects and the lines they are there. So I can really see that, and I can see how it's going downstream to the server room. And we could go even deeper here. So let's look at him. He has 3 children. So we can see the deployment instances. They are not yet there. Again, I can build this, and then we recalculate the model. And we are going deeper. Let's see. There we are. And we are going even deeper now. So this gives you the capability to really define how you want to look at certain things and get the final picture you want to have. And then you can say, for example, I want to see the dependency between rooms and databases, or whatever you are going to analyze. Yes. With that, I want to stop the impact analysis here. This is a rule set that applies to every model. We just did a sample here on our enterprise landscape. With that, I'm closing the session, and I see you in the next unit. Thanks very much.